Okay. Uh, we have equation here. Say we have variable y equal to a of b times x, c times x times x, c abc plus p times x to the power 3. Okay. So we have a polynomial of the third order, abx bx squared plus bx to the power 3. We could have written this in this format. Maybe this is better. And remove this, and then we are ending up with this. Now we need to find a, b, c, d such that y equal to h when x equal to 0. This is the first conditions. So what does this mean? It means that a should be equal to h. You can go here and say simplify. First of all, I think we need to define this, the variable. Now we can say simplified substitute variable, put x equal to 0, simplify. So y equal to a. This means a should be equal to h. Right here, a equal to h. Now going back, simplified. This is the format. So we get rid of the first equation and we simplify further. Now, when x equal to L, we're going to make an equation like that. L is a variable. When x equal to L, y should be equal to 0. So simplify, we substitute x equal to L here, x equal to L, okay. Now, so y should be equal to 0, we can write it like that. This should be equal to this term, should be equal to 0, copy it here. Equal to 0 from here. We want to find d here, just d in terms of the others. So I can write from here, simplify, solve, expression for, I'm looking for d. Okay. Okay, d here. So this is equal to for, we are looking for d only, just d. Simplify, this is d. Okay, I can write this and make it parameter here. Now, if I go here and say simplify, here, and say simplify. So this is the equation. Now we have some terms that we should get rid of here, here, here. Since this is a form now, So we have here B and C. B and C. Now we want to have the slope at x equal to L should be 0, the slope. So I want to differentiate this term only. Put the expression here, calculus differentiation with respect to x, and put x equal to L. Okay, now we can find B in terms of A. I'm looking for B in terms, okay, looking for C in terms of B. C in terms of B. So here I say solve. C. Now I go again and say simplify. So when we only have B here, B, just B, just B here. I have only B. Okay, now I should go to Excel and put this into Excel. Okay, this is the form of the equation. Start here with writing H equal to, for example, L 100. I'll make B as a negative value. So select negative value, say minus 0.1, for example. And then we have here X, Y. The first value of X is 0, Y. The first value of Y should be H. Now, we are going to divide this X, the height here, by 80. So I make this plus this number here, so we can generate the steps here. Something wrong. What is this? Here B1. Okay. 6. Take here that is B1. Should be the height. It's not the height. Corrected. This one is L over 80 plus, because we are moving with respect to L. Now this one is constant. Now if I move this way, okay, so here I have now you write the equation here. It should be equal to, the first one is H. Write the equation now. What is the equation? Okay, let's start with H. So this is H plus B times X. B times X. Okay. Minus B times H plus 2 times L times B. Okay, divided by L to the power 2. Okay, negative. And we have the other one, which is positive, the last case here. B is 2 times plus L times 2 times plus L times B divided by L to the power 2 times X to the power 3. So this is the formula. Now everything should be, we should make everything except 8. The one with 8 term here, 8, should not be changed. So this reference here, X, X. Hmm. We have one missing term. Check that. 3 minus 3. Slide we have minus 3 plus 2 divided by into power 3 times here times A power 2. All right. So I think if we copy it here, now we will copy this till go down. Check this. Okay, we'll see it is. So the form now, this is 30. Mm. Okay. Do the same thing here, it should be here. Okay, the form is ready now. We can ask to draw it. So, not So this, here we go. We can add more detail here. Okay. Why? Want to make it 16. Make it 16 here. Now for B. B is initial slope. I can make it now, for example, minus 0.5. I'll make it minus 0.8. See here. Minus 1. Minus 3. Here, there's a problem. There's a problem. We assume that the minimum should be above 0. So this cannot be, is not acceptable. So we're looking for a slope, initial slope, which is negative, but then not that much negative. Let's say minus 0.1, for example. Let's go back here. This can be accepted. This is just an example how to uh, um, use the derive together with Excel to generate functions. That function with a given with given information here. See, it's a polynomial of the third degree. If you make a polynomial which is fourth degree, maybe you have more. You'll have more variable here. Say if you have x to the power 4, you still have one parameter which you can play with it. You can change it so that you can have more a more shape, or just more shapes. Let's say more shapes. So I believe this should be okay for the time being. Thank you.